Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a clipping mask in Illustrator. So let's get started the video. Open Illustrator and import the desired image and shape files. Put image behind the shape. To do this, right click on it and select Send to Back. Now press Ctrl plus A to select all. Now go to Object, click on Clipping Mask, then choose Make. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.